Morning students, welcome in the new session. Today I am going to solve maths of class 6. Here we will introduce with the new chapter, it is integers. As you know, we have read about the whole number, and before that we have studied about the natural number first. Natural number, quantity numbers are said natural number up to infinity, and when we include 0 with the natural number, this is called whole number. But here we will learn the new numbers which are the negative of natural numbers. Suppose that I have taken natural numbers, whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. When you write the negative of the natural, negative of 1, negative of 2, negative of 3, negative of 4, okay? It is just opposite of 1. Just opposite of 1, it is minus 1. Just opposite of 2, it is minus 2. Just opposite of 3, it is minus 3. Just opposite of 4, it is minus 4. So now these new numbers included the whole number. It is said integers. What is the name? Integers. Integers is the number of the positive of the natural number and the negative numbers of the negative of the natural numbers with 0. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Okay? 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative number. These are said positive number, and from minus 1 to this are said negative numbers. Okay, so I hope you got it. It means integers is the group of whole number and the negative number of the natural numbers. Okay, just I said that negative of 1 is minus 1, negative of 2 is minus 2, negative of 3 is minus 3, and negative of 4 is minus 4. So now we can learn the some symbol of positive and negative. Suppose that just we will learn the opposite word. Opposite word is just I have written add, addition. Just opposite is subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, it is just opposite. Subtraction, just opposite. Addition, addition. Just opposite is subtraction. Just rise, then fall. It is the negative symbol of this. Loss, that is gain. Gain of 2 rupees. It is just opposite to gain is loss. So loss is a minus symbol. We have to take minus symbol. And deposit. Deposit just opposite. Withdrawal. Withdrawal, when we take money from ATM, that is says withdrawal or bank. And deposit, when you submit money, when you give some money to the bank in your account, that is says deposit. Okay, and plus high, it is positive symbol, and below is high, below we have to take minus symbol. These are the this we can indicate by minus, and these are we can indicate by plus symbol. Okay, now we will solve the exercise. Now I start solving exercise for it. Question says write the opposite of each of the following. You have to write the opposite. I have taken two examples. An increase of 8. So what is the opposite of increase? Obviously it is decrease. So we have to write a decrease of 8. Okay, now you are earning rupees 500. So earning, when you earn money, when you make money. But what is the opposite of earning? When you spend. When you spend. Then earning, then spending rupees 500. This time you will do the rest question. Now second, indicate each of the following using plus and minus sign. You have to use this or this. So a gain of rupees 600. So gain, you know, when you earn money, it is your money is increasing, means you are getting it positive. So this is plus rupees 600. And here a withdrawal of 300 rupees. Withdrawal, when you take out money from bank, it is said withdrawal. So you are getting negative when taking out. Okay, so this is the negative of rupees 300. When you deposit, your money is increasing, so it is the positive. But when you take out, it will be negative sign. Okay, I hope you got it. Now third number. Here we will learn how to make number line. So you have to draw one line, and at middle you have to take 0. Okay, you will draw with the help of the ruler scale. Okay, and each 1 centimeter you will take mark the line and give the name also this side. The distance between two lines should be equal. If you have taken 1 centimeter, then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here also. So now when you move right to the 0, you have to write this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, and from left to the 0, you just have to write negative of minus. This is -1, negative 2, -2, negative 3, -3, negative 4, -4, and -5, and so on. Okay, this is said number line. Okay, now when you look, you are finding that when you are increasing, when you move right to the 0 is boundary line. When you move right to the 0, the numbers are increasing. You are increasing. It means one is bigger than 0, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so on. Means 1 is larger than 0, 2 is larger than 1, 3 is larger than 2, 4 is larger than 3. It means when you move right from the 0, the numbers are increasing. But just opposite, when you are moving left from the 0, the numbers are decreasing. It means 0 0 is bigger than -1, -1 is larger than -2, -2 is larger than -3, -4. Okay, so 0 is bigger than or larger than -1 or -2, -3, -4, means when you are moving back you are getting the smaller number. Okay, so fourth number question says that mark the following integers on the number line. You have to mark on the number line where it is situated -5. -5 is situated here, so mark here it is -5. On your copy you will write. Okay, mark 0, so here you will make one arrow symbol and give the 0. Mark 7, here 7, so mark here this is 7. This type you can draw the number line and you can indicate. Okay, now I solve fourth number question. Now I solve fourth number question. Which number is larger in each of the following pairs? Just I have shown you on number line. Just fourth number question says which is larger, 0 or -2. I said that when you move left from the 0 the numbers are decreasing, the values are decreasing, but when you move right from the 0 the numbers are increasing, values are increasing. So 0 is left or right from -2, 0 is right from the -2. Okay, this one is right from the -2, so the 0 is a larger number here. 0 is a larger number from -2. And -3 or -5, which is left side from 3 or -5. -5 is left from -3, so this will be smaller, this will be bigger. The number which is right from the numbers, given number, that will be greater. Okay, larger. So larger number is here, -3 is the answer. This is the right from the -5. And here which is larger? Obviously it is 2. 2 is here and -5 is here. So 2 is positive number, this is negative number, so 2 is the answer. Okay, now here write all the integers between. It is 6 number questions. 5 number is similar. Okay, you will do as homework. Now 0 and 6. You have to write all the integers from 0 to 6 here. Between these numbers. 1, 2, 3. So answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now here -3 to 3. -3 to 3. From here to this number. Okay. So it is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. This type you can solve exercise for it. And now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.